These guys have turned orange, so they're a bit overripe. Good for pickles. Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are new here. Hi, hello, my name is Melanie. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do some homemade pickles. This is what they normally look like out in the garden, but just overnight all of these turned overripe, so they're better for pickling. So we're going to take all the skin off of these and slice them up, and then I'm going to show you how to make some homemade pickling brine. Okay, so when you have cucumbers that are overripe, what you want to do is take all the skin off and slice them end to end and smell them. You want that cucumber sweet taste, like that's the way they taste. You want that to be the smell that you have. And all of these smell like a cucumber. You'll know. They'll smell like really, really bitter. So yeah, definitely are good. So I like to take the orange skin off of these and just use the meat. But this one we're going to leave the skin on because it hasn't turned orange. So you want to slice them. You can use a mandolin slicer or you can just slice them how you want. This one's a nice one. These were all locally harvested in my backyard. Ooh, wait, look at that. That's going to be a nice pickle. I made a whole mess of these like 3 or 4 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. Well, I let my brother have a jar and he finally realized they were there in the refrigerator. And he ate them all, so I gotta make some more. Plus, I've been eating them too. Definitely like a couple of cucumber pickles every day. Alright. Man, that was a nice hearty cucumber, let me tell you what. Alright, my jar is full. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get you a half a cup of water. Turn on your stove. Then, yeah, I figure I'm going to make a mess with it. 3/4 cup of sugar into that water. Okay, so sugar and water is the first step. I don't know if you've all ever seen the Seth Rogen movie, The American Pickle, but oh my god, my husband has been cracking so many jokes at me because I've been saving jars, like it's good jar, you know, or yes, I made the pickles with the salt and the water and the cucumbers. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So salt and water is your first step. All right, I'm always sidestepping over here. Where'd that thing go? Just whisk it until all the sugar is dissolved into the water. We're almost there. Looks pretty well dissolved. No. What is burning on my burner here? Oh, that looks beautiful, nice and clear. And then we're going to get some, you can use apple cider vinegar or a half and half mixture of both, but you want 1 cup of vinegar no matter what. Okay. And then you're going to add some herbs. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of dill. Okay. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. You can put in 2 if you really, really like garlic. I think I'm going to put in 2. And then this is a blend that I got off of somebody I used to know. It's a pickling blend, but it's like zesty. And it has turmeric, mustard seeds, celery seed, jalapeno pepper, onion, red bell pepper. Yeah. I don't use the whole damn thing. I just use 1 tablespoon. And that was zesty bread and butter pickle, quick process pickle mix. Alright, and then we're going to turn the volume up here and stir that together. You want to get that dill to submerge down in there. Woo-wee! I love the way that shit smells. All right, here we go. That's good brine. Very good brine. All right, we got our jar held here. It's a pretty nice sized jar. I think I got it from the same person that I got the pickling mix from. Just someone I used to know. So we let this bubble for about 5 minutes just to let that dill stuff sink to the bottom because it kind of tends to float on top, so I let it steep. That's what I'm trying to do here. And once it starts settling, let it cool off because it gets messy trying to pour it in these jars. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, see, that was the perfect amount too. Oh my. Let me try to see if I can scooch back to the light here. Alright. Look at them beautiful pickles. Little cluster of seeds right there, gee whiz. Little cluster of dill. Beautiful. You can throw in onions or cauliflower or whatever you want to throw in there to pickle in there with them. But yeah, this is just a classic pickle mix. Very, very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. thumbnail. So, if you have ever made refrigerator pickles of your own and you have a similar recipe, or did I use the same recipe that you use? Because I found this one on the internet and I just kind of made it my own with that little pickle mix that I got. Which has the turmeric and the mustard seed and the celery seed that you want in your pickle mixes. So if you like this video, share it with a friend. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more cooking with me. And stay spooky.